customers.
That's right. ABC 2 News' Dakari Turner tracking the damage for us all night long, and he has with video now that you'll want to see.
Snapped tree limbs, a buckling roof, and a smashed windshield. It was after lunchtime this afternoon, a massive tree came crashing down onto Norma Maxwell's home.
What happened?
I was laying down in my bed, and I heard this big uproar like the roof was lifting off.
She's called Northwest Baltimore home for the past 30 years. The tree sat in front of her home where she says there were warnings and even asked the city to come take it down.
When the wind would blow, it would rock.
Said, boy, incredible. Nature is incredible.
The Baltimore region was pummeled with what at times was both rain and wind. In Howard County, trees rock while this trash can doesn't stand a chance. In Baltimore this afternoon, a tree was removed after blocking traffic on the JFX for more than an hour. Power was knocked out in Walbrook by a tree brought down while gusts reached as high as 60 miles per hour. This massive tree in northeast Baltimore came crashing down this afternoon, likely when wind gusts were at their strongest. As we were here, a DPW crew came by and inspected, but because of community help, they moved on. This high schooler put skills he learned in the Boy Scouts to the test, making sure the road was passable, which is why DPW kept going.
I just saw that the tree was blocking the way, and my time isn't that valuable.
As crews assess the damage overnight, the full scale of everything done will not be known until tomorrow.
How do you pick up and move forward?
Well, I'm covered. So, I don't feel too bad. If I wasn't, it probably would have bothered me, but I'm okay.
In Baltimore, Dakari Turner, ABC 2 News.